Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Crystal and today I'm going to review a skincare product for you guys, and it's actually a face mask, and I haven't tried anything like this. And this is the Beauty Trends Carbonated Bubble Clay Mask, and it says here it cleanses, detoxifies, controls oil, and minimizes pores. So that is exactly targeted towards me. I mean, someone like me, because I have very oily skin and I have large pores. But it's not really that noticeable, but when I wear makeup, sometimes you can definitely see the pores. So anyway, it looks like this, and it says here carbonated bubble clay mask is a bubble mud pack that cleanses, detoxifies, controls oil, and minimizes pores. The carbonation causes the mask to bubble up once it's applied to the face and oxidizes with the air. The bubbles help exfoliate dead skin cells and unclog pesky pores, while delivering its powerful nutrients to replenish the skin, leaving it soft, bright, and oil-free with a youthful glow. So you're supposed to apply an ample amount all over clean face. My face is clean right now. And then after 5 minutes, foaming bubbles will start forming. And then you're supposed to wait until it all turns into bubble. Gently massage for 1 to 2 minutes and then rinse with lukewarm water. Use at least once a week. So I'm very excited to try this. I'm guessing it's like something like a charcoal bubble mask. So it's like a gray thing that's supposed to foam up after you apply it, but I don't really know, so it's for us to find out, and I'm really excited. This is actually very cheap. I think I got this for 80 pesos or 90 pesos, so it's very affordable, and it has 30 grams inside. So let's just go ahead and try this, because I just can't wait to see what will happen. Okay, but oh my gosh, that is just the messiest ever. I haven't even opened it. I thought there would be like a seal or something like that. Did I get a used one? Or yeah, it looks like a jelly charcoal mask. Yeah, it has a very gel-like consistency. So this is what I have on my hand so far. So let's just go ahead and apply this. Oh my gosh, this feels so weird. Okay, I'm just applying this on my face. Okay, I'm gonna need a headband. Oh my gosh, it's really starting to foam up. Actually, it's starting to feel ticklish on my face right now because the bubbles are probably popping. Like, I can definitely feel the bubbles foaming up. Oh my gosh, it feels kind of ticklish, especially if you're applying it on very clean skin, because you can definitely feel the bubble foaming up. You can see the difference. This is how it looks like freshly applied, and this is how it looks like when it's starting to foam up. Oh my gosh, that's actually very interesting. So I'm just going to apply it to the rest of my face. Actually, this is very fun and something new to me. It just bothers me that the seal is not there. I'm not really sure it's supposed to be sealed, but yeah. So yeah, like I said, it feels like gel when you're applying it on your face. Okay, so that is how my skin looks like. And I think for 30 grams, I think you will be able to make use of this. Like, you'll be able to use this like a lot of times. It has a lot of product inside. It feels kind of heavy. So, but I really want to add more. I want to feel like, I really want to see my face covered with bubbles. Okay, right there. I am so intrigued by this. I wonder how it's going to make my skin feel, how it's gonna look after the mask. But right now I'm actually really enjoying this. It's so fun to apply. yeah, this is super unique and I haven't tried anything like this. So let's look at the mirror right now. Yeah, this is so weird. Like, it's really, I just wish that it's more even. Yeah, I feel like you're supposed to apply this really evenly if you want it to look cute, you know? But right now it looks very uneven. Like, I tried to make it even, but it's just not working anymore. It's just all over the place. There's like nothing here. Let me add more on this side. It looks kind of messy. Let's add more. Because I want to look cute even though I have a bubble clay mask. Okay. Let's just go ahead and apply it like that. Okay. What the hell? I just want it to look even. There's a very, very mild scent, but nothing too overwhelming. Okay, so this is how my skin looks like after a minute, and it really, really foamed up. I kind of look like I have a mask on, but yeah. I mean, look at me. It's a bubble clay mask. It's really starting to foam up. It looks like clouds of foam on my skin, and it actually really works. I wasn't expecting it to really foam up like this. So it's very, very foamy. That's what I can say for sure. And I'm not sure what this is going to give my skin, but it's starting to foam up even more, and it's becoming more and more puffy every second. It's starting to look like, you know, when you do your laundry and like the soap start to foam up, it looks like that. But it's definitely doing its own thing. So it's the carbonation that's causing it to bubble up. Okay, so it just says here, how many minutes do I have to wait? So after 5 minutes you have to wait for it to foam up, and then after 5 minutes massage this. I don't know if it's the same thing as a facial cleanser, but I feel like if you use a facial cleanser, it's gonna foam up. You're massaging it on your face. I don't know what's the difference with that, but I don't know. I'm starting to look like a bunny right now. So I look like winter.
But then you put it not foam.
Huh?
Then you put first it is not foam.
No, it's just a gray. You should try it now. Later. Or now, put now. Okay, so this is how it looks like, and it's been 5 minutes, so I think it's about time to massage this. Wow, listen to that. This is gonna be good for ASMR videos. Borrow. I don't even know if this is soap or what. Is it like a facial wash that just bubbles up and then you're just gonna rinse it off? I'm not sure if it's the same thing. I mean, if you use a facial wash and this, what's the difference? Right now, like, I'm rubbing this all over my face. It feels like as if I'm rubbing a face wash that's drying up, so I'm not really sure. So I'm gonna wash this off. How it sound? Okay. So I'm gonna rinse this off and then I'll be back to show you guys. I just rinsed my face with lukewarm water and this is my skin. Okay, so one thing I noticed is that the product became like soap, so it felt like as if I was using a normal face wash after I massaged the bubble clay mask on my face. So it acted like a soap on my face. It was kind of hard to wash the product off of my face because it was kind of slimy. There were still some product left on my face and I just didn't bother completely washing it off. For result, it actually feels like it really cleansed my face. It left like an essence on my face. So you know those Korean serums, it felt like it left a serum on my face, so that's how it felt like. And it feels clean. It's nothing too dramatic, but it's very fun to use. I really had fun using this, and it's something that I've never tried before. That is something that you should try. Of course, I need to try this a few more times before I can tell you guys the effect, because right now if you're just gonna use it one time, you're not gonna see like a dramatic change. My skin feels very clean, and it doesn't feel dry or anything like that. I don't see dry patches because, like I said, it left like a thin film of essence on my skin, like a serum. My skin feels clean without the drying effect, so I really like that. So I think I'm gonna use this more, and if this ever runs out, I think I'm going to repurchase this because it's just so fun to use, and I'm really into face masks lately. So I'm just adding this to my collection, and I really enjoy it. I don't like those charcoal face masks that you have to peel off, and then you're peeling off your skin, the tiny hairs on your face. I just don't like it. It's painful. So I prefer something like this that's fun to use. I like it. I recommend it. So if you want to do like a pamper day, get something like this. It's totally worth trying and it's very affordable too. So yeah, that is it for my review of the Beauty Trends carbonated bubble clay mask. This is available from Watson's. I'm not sure where else, but I got mine from Watson's. So yeah, go ahead and check out your nearest Watson's branch, and you should find this there. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye!